Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Oceans Cleanup hobby in Heartopia. So this hobby was added during the Call of Wheels event, where you will receive the Oceans Purifier Tool to clean up pollution in the Whalefall Canyon undersea map like this. You can see it, the tools, it will look like this. And then if you are a new player or started the event late, don't worry, unlocking it is super easy. First, you just need to head to the Whalefall Canyon through the portal near the whale sea over here. Near the whale sea on here. Like on here, the portal will located over here. Just go to the portal and you will automatically teleport to the undersea map like this. And then after that, just talk to NPC Rory, and in here I can show the NPC and exact dialogue because I have already unlocked this hobby. But after speaking with Rory, you will unlock the Whalefall Canyon Explorations menu by tap on this shell icon, this one. Like this, you can get the special menu like this. And then after that, just simply upgrade your explorations to level 2 like this. And then after that, your Oceans Cleanup hobby will automatically unlock like this. You can activate this hobby, Oceans Cleanup hobby, after you upgrade the level. And then once you unlock it, just complete the training quest with Oliver, and then after that, just use your Oceans Purifier to remove pollutions around the undersea area, like for example like this. Just tap on the button like this, you can see it. And then in here you will collect lots of different seashells. This one, you can see it. This shell, you can sell it or just use it to craft furniture, and you will also need them for future exploration quests. And in here you can also level up this hobby over here. This one, you can level up your hobby, but to level up you need the Oceans Cleanup upgrade ticket like this, which are rewarded as you progress to the Whalefall Canyon explorations. This one you can get when you level up your level on here. And okay, that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.